Advancements in AI-driven robotics. Computer Science Robotics, cs.RO, August 9, 2025. Breakthroughs in robotic manipulation, navigation, and perception are explored here, synthesizing 11 papers from the arXiv preprint server from a single day. This is presented by AI Frontiers. The Hook. Robots with a gentle touch. A surprising breakthrough in delicate handling. Imagine a robot picking ripe strawberries without bruising them. A 92% success rate is achieved, far beyond traditional methods. This blurs the line between machine precision and human gentleness. The question arises, could robots revolutionize farming and beyond? The discussion continues to uncover how AI makes this possible. Introduction. Diving into robotics innovation. Context and purpose of today's exploration. Welcome to AI Frontiers, focusing on cs.RO papers from August 9, 2025. 11 papers on robots interacting with the real world are synthesized. The purpose is to break down complex ideas into accessible stories. Themes, findings, and a standout paper are covered. No PhD is needed, as analogies make it relatable. Field Overview. The Nervous System of Machines. Understanding Computer Science Robotics. Like a nervous system, cs.RO blends sensors, AI, and hardware for intelligent interactions. An analogy is the self-driving car, weaving through traffic like a polite commuter. Machine learning is drawn upon for adaptation and control theory for precision. Real-world needs are addressed, such as aging populations, labor shortages, and disaster response. These papers show robots evolving from basic tools to adaptive partners. Research Theme 1. Dexterous manipulation, handling fragile objects with care. A key theme is robots grasping delicate items like fruits without damage. An example involves tactile sensors and AI policies for strawberry picking, as detailed by Swan et al. The metaphor is like a chef gently testing avocado ripeness. Relevance lies in reducing waste in agriculture and enabling precise tasks. This connects to broader AI for human-like finesse. Research Theme 2. Navigation in dynamic environments. Path planning. Amid chaos. Focus is placed on robots moving through crowds or traffic safely. An example includes game-theoretic models for highway merging with human drivers. The metaphor is playing chess in a bustling city square, predicting moves. Model predictive control is introduced, planning actions while anticipating changes. This is vital for autonomous vehicles and service robots in shared spaces. Research Theme 3. Enhanced perception and sensing. Multimodal data fusion for better awareness. Robot senses are improved with vision, events, and vibrations. An example is event-based cameras for mapping blurry scenes. The metaphor is giving robots super senses like a hawk spotting prey. The technical concept involves event cameras detecting motion changes rapidly, unlike traditional ones. Tasks like vibration-guided needle alignment in medicine are enabled. Key findings. Tales of robotic triumphs. Summarizing insights as mini-stories. In the fragile fruit saga, a 92% success rate and 20% less bruising are achieved via tactile AI. As per Swan et al., the highway merge epic features safer, faster integrations using game theory. Crowd navigation wins include 76% fewer errors with predictive control. The medical precision story shows sub-millimeter accuracy via vibrations. Versatile agents tale involves adaptive multitask planning outperforming baselines. Paper of the Day. DexFruit by Swan et al. Overview and motivation. Spotlight is placed on DexFruit. Dexterous manipulation and Gaussian splatting inspection of fruit. Motivation stems from global food waste and labor shortages in agriculture. The objective is autonomous handling of fragile fruits without bruising. A human story emerges with researchers persevering through 630 real-world trials. This is one pivotal study addressing real farming challenges. Paper of the Day. Methodology. Innovative approaches in DexFruit. Optical, tactile sensing is used for pressure and texture detection. Diffusion policies involve generative AI refining noisy actions into optimal grasps. FruitSplat employs 3D Gaussian splatting for bruise measurement from 2D images. The analogy is Gaussian blobs as squishy clouds building 3D models efficiently. Testing occurs in simulations and real setups against baselines. Paper of the day: Findings and Significance. Impact of DexFruit. A 92% grasping success rate is achieved, 31% better on tricky fruits like blackberries. Bruising is reduced by 20%, correlated with human assessments. The sim-to-real gap is bridged for viable robotic harvesting. Broader implications include sustainable farming, biotech, and beyond. Challenges involve scaling to uneven fields, inspiring future hybrid systems. Future directions: a renaissance in robotics. Hopeful visions ahead. Like a caterpillar becoming a butterfly, AI will supercharge bio-inspired sensing. Hybrid human-robot teams are expected for disaster response. Generalist agents using foundation models are anticipated for versatile tasks. Challenges like ethics and sim-to-real gaps must be addressed. The hopeful analogy is robots amplifying human potential for a safer world. Conclusion, recap, and call to action. Summing up the journey. Themes like manipulation, as in Swan et al., and navigation triumphs are recapped. Findings show robots as adaptive allies tackling real problems. Spotlight on DexFruit highlights AI's role in delicate tasks. A call to action encourages exploring papers on the arXiv preprint server and sharing with #AIFrontiers. The question is posed: what robotic dream excites you? The conversation should continue. AI synthesis and review. How this presentation was created. Synthesis occurs using AI tools including GPT-Grok with model GROK-4-0709. TTS synthesis is handled via DeepGram for audio elements. Image generation uses OpenAI for visuals. Content undergoes review by a human expert. Possible oversights are acknowledged with all references provided for verification. Subscribe and channel info. Join AI Frontiers. A call to action is made. Subscribe for more on AI and robotics breakthroughs. The channel title is AI Frontiers. The description is provided. Updates on the latest research syntheses are encouraged. Sharing and engaging support the community. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv.org content under its AI terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.